Right. I understand this. Christians generally raise this question, but do you remember a verse of the Quran in which it says, if you try to count the kalimat of Allah, the seas will be turned dry?
Yes. قُلْ لَوْ كَانَ الْبَحْرُ مِدَادًا
قُلْ لَوْ كَانَ الْبَحْرُ مِدَادًا لِكَلِمَاتِ رَبِّي لَنَفِدَ الْبَحْرُ قَبْلَ أَن تَنْفَدَ كَلِمَاتُ رَبِّي وَلَوْ جِئْنَا بِمِثْلِهِ مَدَدًا. So if Isa alayhi salam is a kalma, the kalimat of Allah are innumerable. Everything begins with the word kun. So Isa is no exception. Only Christians have made a point of it that he is called kalima, but the Holy Quran responds by telling us that kalima is just an ordinary word. Every creation is because of kalima, and Jesus is just one of kalimat. Right?